Okay, you saw in that last segment, it was actually running. I'll have to give this a nice little 5-star myself. It started, of course, my spark plug was a little bit fouled, so it took a couple cranks, and I had to prime the long red hose, get all the air out of it. But it started up on the second or third attempt, and was only on choke for just a short bit, and it was running beautifully. So this is a really nice little setup. I got my carburetor for $30 delivered, and I decided to finally hook my electric start back up, because trying to rope start a engine full of oil that's thick as molasses is not too easy. So it started up beautifully, and this is a really nice little setup. Worked really nice. I'll try to edit this video up, clean it up, but you shouldn't have any problems, guys. Thanks. God bless.